We just cleaned the gutters here in the rain. This is what we wanted right here. This was not draining at all. We had a waterfall going there. We had a little waterfall going there. It's completely drained now. Fixed to get that one up there, and we just got this one here. That's what you don't want over there. You can see that. Look at that one. You see the water overflowing right there? That's what you don't want. Shit.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Dave.
All right. I know, right? Yeah, we're not gonna do that Clinton job. Woo! Shit! Turn this thing off. Stop. Stop. Unrecord. Stop. Okay. Why won't you stop? Woo. Stop. Come on, stop.